Okay, let's start with question 1. A. Explain briefly on the term of present value of annuity and its example. What is present value? Present value is the value at the beginning of the term of the annuity, the sum of the present value of several payment each discounted to the beginning of the term. For the calculating the present value of an annuity, the following notation are used: are the predict payment of the annuity, and the total number of payment, I the interest rate per payment, the present value of annuity. This is formula we use in present value. Let's take a look some example. Aziz would like to borrow money from a bank that's just 6.5% compounded quarterly for his education. If he agreed to pay 200 predictly for 10 years, how much money should he receive from the bank at the time of borrowing? This is term you can find at this question. R, the pay that he pay for monthly. K, just bank charge compounded, M compounded quarterly, and I K over M, N time T. You can refer this to find this. This is formula. You put all these item in formula and you get this. And first step, you have to settle on this bracket first, and you time in 200, and you get the answer. Let's move to question B. Carrier made equal payment of 2,230.71 for 7 years at 6.6% compounded every 4 months. Based on the statement above, state and explain the formula that can be used to find the amount of loan taken by Khairi. This is formula. This is all these items can be find at this question. Same as question A. Substitute all the items in this formula and settle this bracket first, and you time by this answer. You get the answer 37,193.56. This is N for question 1. Let's move to the next.
Question 2. Assuming the house costing $375,000 cash is purchased by making 20% down payment. The balance to be settled by making 240 monthly payments. The interest charge is 4.4% compounded monthly. A. Calculate the monthly payment. So we must use formula A equal to R open bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative N divided by I close bracket. Now we must list all the notations. We are finding R, which is the money payment. A equal to RM375,000 minus 20% equal to RM300,000 ringgit. So K is 4.4%. We change it to decimal number equal to 0.044. M is 12 because say compounded monthly. I equal to 0.044 over 12. N equal to 240. So firstly, we put the formula first. And then we put RM300,000 ringgit, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.044 over 12 bracket power of negative 240 divided by 0.044 over 12. So RM300,000 equal to R open bracket 0.584548999 divide by 0.04 over 12. So it will become R equal to 300,000 ringgit divide by 159.4224543. So we will get the answer, which is R equal to RM 1,881.80 cents. Let's move on to question B. If the buyer failed to pay for the first 7 monthly payment, how much should the buyer pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So we must use formula S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I bracket of N minus 1 divide by I close bracket. Now we must find the notation. We are finding S right now. So R equal to IM 1,880.80 cents, N is 8, K is 0.044, M is 12, and I is 0.044 over 12. So we put the formula first. So we put S equal to IM 1,881.80 cents open bracket 1 plus 0.044 over 12 bracket over 8 minus 1 divide by 0.044 over 12 close bracket. Now we will get S equal to IM 1,881.80 cents times 8.10342316. So we get the answer, which is S equal to IM 15249.02 cents. Thank you.
We continue to next question, question 3. Question 3A. Single discount is only one discount rate is offered. In a simple system where the product is being sold from the manufacturer directly to the retailer, we can find the net price or the price paid by the retailer. Chain discount. Chain discount is sometimes the manufacturer will give a series of discount or more than one discount. For the conclusion that I can give, chain discount is the trade discount percentage more than one discount rate. Single discount equivalent rate. Single discount equivalent rate is the single percentage that result in the same net price as the chain discount is called the single discount equivalent. Question 3b. The list price of a bedroom set is 20,200 less 15%, 10% and 3%. Based on the statement above, state and explain the formula that can be used to find the net price and amount of trade discount. We can use formula net price equal to list price multiplied 1 minus first percentage of trade discount, 1 minus second percentage of trade discount, and multiply 1 minus cash discount. The list price is 20,200. We multiply the percentage of the trade discount. The first trade discount is 0.15, the second 0.1, and the cash discount is 0.03. The final answer we can get 9,053 ringgit and 1 cent. The amount of trade discount that we can get is with the formula trade discount equal to list price minus net price. List price is 20,200 and the net price is 9,050 ringgit and 1 cent. 20,200 we minus 9,053 ringgit and 1 cent, we can get 3,146 and 99 cent. Finish for the question 3.
Question 4. So I already list down important thing to use for the question. So let's look at the question 1. Find the net price of each dress. So the formula for net price is list price bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2. D1 and D2 we already list down before this, which is 12% and 9%. So we convert it into decimal, which is 0.12 and 0.09. So we just calculated it. So the answer will be, the answer is 184,184 ringgit. So they want net price for each dress. So Jenny and Co buy 150 dresses. So we need to divide the net price by 150. So the answer will be 1,227 ringgit 89 cent. So let's go to the second question. The last day to receive 5% cash discount. Jenny and Co received invoice dated on 12 November. And the cash discount term for 5% discount is 5/20. So it will be 20 days. So we just added 12 and 20, so it will be 32. So in November we got 30 days. So 32 will minus 30 and the answer will be 2nd December. For last question, amount to be paid if the payment was made on 25 November. So we used formula of net price. The only difference is that this time we will added the cash discount. So 23,000 ringgit bracket 1 minus 0.12 bracket 1 minus 0.09 and 1 minus 0.05. So the answer will be 17,497 ringgit 48 cents. But we also have additional charges, which is 75 ringgit. So we need to add the additional charges, 75 ringgit. So the real answer will be 17,572 ringgit 48 cents.